Hello everybody and welcome back to MDTV. Every now and again a scooter comes along that is just a little bit different. This one's a little bit different, but I actually feel that because of the way that it's built, the fact that it's got the 9-inch tyres on the back and the 8-inch tyres on the front and the heavy duty rubber ones, and it's got such a good performance, I believe that this could be a good alternative for somebody who's looking for something that's a little bit bigger scooter for home, but also one that goes in the car. I think this could do both. Certainly going on holidays and trips like that, it's absolutely fantastic. Now, we're going to have to do 2 videos on this. The reason I've got my phone in my hand is you can actually do all sorts of things with regards to your scooter on your phone. But we'll do that on another video, so I'll pop that in my pocket. Right, so going back to this, we'll do what we usually do. We'll show you how it folds and all the rest of it. Like all the other ones that we've always done, if you click that forward and lift up your battery pack, leave that in the car, take this into the house, and you can charge it into here, and you can also charge it onto the scooter. So as I always say, what that does is it gives you the best of both worlds, in the respect that you can leave this in a certain, you could leave it in your motorhome, take the battery charger in the house, car, chain in the house. Right, so going forward, it also actually has a nice big shopping bag on the bottom, and as you can see, it's open fronted. It does have zip sides, so you can fold it down if you want to. That lifts in and out, so you can get your shopping in it. When you get home, you can take that off, and because you've got 2 handles on the side, like so, you can carry your shopping in with it. Now on this one, at the back, there's these 2 little catches. They want to be in the unlocked position, like so. You pull the cord at the back, like so. Now the seat goes in completely opposite direction that you think. You're pushing it down, not pulling it forward. So, like so. Down it goes. That leaves the arm stuck up in the air. Very clever, this. Wrapped around the wheel like so. While we're at the back here, heavy duty bracket so that you can stand it on its end. Now on this one, anything with orange on it means that it moves. So on the front, you've got a trigger like so, and as you can see, that moved forward when I did that. Pull it down, holding the trigger. When you get down there, it's locked. Now because of the metal bracket on the back and your handle here at the front, you can lift it up onto its back wheels like so, and it just stands. It's not the lightest of scooters, but as I say, it's actually built to do a job. It's probably what you would call a heavy duty portable. It'll do a lot better terrain than a lot of scooters because of the way that it's built. But that is so compact to go in and out of your car. Maybe it's one of those things where somebody can hold the front, somebody can grab the back, and you can lift it in that way. So let's put it back up again onto your orange thing. Up it comes. Grab the seat, lift, up it comes. Arms forward, switch on here, forwards and backwards. Things we can actually change it from left to right. We'll show you how in the other video how to do that. It actually has a cruise control, believe it or not. Now, everybody would say, if you've got a mobility scooter, why do you need a cruise control? It might be that you have arthritis and you don't want to grip the trigger for long periods of time. It might be that you're busy talking to somebody and you don't want to concentrate on any of this. You can just set it going. If you want to stop, you flick the lever and it stops. But yet again, we're going to do all that in a different video. It's absolutely superb, beautifully built. It really is one of the most modern, up-to-date scooters that we've seen in a long, long time. As always, please come and try it. So you've seen it folded. We will be taking it for a little drive out so that we can drive around town, find some lumps, find some bumps, and prove to you that it could be a good alternative for an all-round scooter. But please come in and try it. We can try it in and out the car, see if you can lift it and all that sort of thing. And yet again, thank you very, very much for your time. Just remember, please subscribe. It does really help us. And if you've got any questions, just put them in below and we'll answer straight away if we can. If not, certainly within a few hours. Thank you for your time. See you soon.